This is the Lenovo ideapad 330 laptop, and this laptop problem is power is not turning on. Let's plug in the charger. Yes, it laptop is not responding. Okay, and this is the Intel processor Core i3 7th generation laptop. Let's fix it. I'll open all this screw from the button cover. Let's brush up this. And this is our circuit. And plug in the charger and check some voltage. Plug in the charger and check the input voltage. Check it. Here is the 20 voltage present, and this is the output of fuse, and here is 20 voltage present, and this one is the very low value resistance, and this one is the primary MOSFET of the circuit and primary power supply, you can say. And this MOSFET input voltage is 20 voltage is present, but this MOSFET will be output 20 voltage. Okay, and let's check it. But here is no voltage present. Okay, and check the input voltage also. Has 20 voltage present, but no output. This 20 voltage work all over the circuit, and this is the main voltage. Okay, this main voltage is not passing through the MOSFET. Okay, I need to find out this, where is the problem. Let's check it. Here is any short circuit or not, and after that I will work on that. When you check the short circuit, you just hold the positive lead in the ground position and negative lead in your hand, and you can find out the short circuit. Okay, but here is no short circuit. Here is showing and 3 mega ohms. Okay, but this is the ground pin, and this one is shorted. Outside will be short through the MOSFET, and it will be show the low value resistance like this. Okay, and here is secondary MOSFET. Let's see the output. Here is also no short circuit. Okay, but this MOSFET is not working. Okay, this MOSFET is not outputting the voltage. Okay, let's see this MOSFET, what happened. And this is the MOSFET. This MOSFET is not working. Okay, let's change it, and after that check it. And this is perfectly attached, this MOSFET. Okay, let's check it, what happened. Check the output voltage. Yes, here is 20 voltage present, and here is also 20 voltage present. 20 voltage present. Check the output. Yes, here is the 20 voltage present. This MOSFET is outputting the voltage. Okay, you can see this here, and this is the secondary MOSFET, and see this here, Here also 20 volt is present. Maybe our circuit is okay. Let's fitting this and check it. And before I fitting this, and I will show some basic voltage of the circuit, common voltage, and who is you need to be get this information. This is very important. 3.3 voltage or 5 voltage, and this inductor for 5 voltage maybe check it. Yes, here is the 5 voltage present, and this inductor for 3.3 voltage and 3.26 voltage also present. Okay, maybe this circuit will be work and this circuit is okay, and I found that the MOSFET was the burn. Okay, let's check it what happened. Press the power button and see what happened. Yep, and our display is okay. Okay viewers, our laptop is okay, and you can see here is a showing second media. That means hard drive is not installed, and that's why it's checking this.